In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your gender on X.com, formerly known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is helpful if you want to update your account details and make sure your profile information is correct. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X.com in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the More icon on the left-hand side of the screen. Click that icon to open the full menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account privacy and security options in one place. After that, click on the Account Information tab. You may see several account details listed here, including your email, phone number, and other profile-related settings. Since this is a security-sensitive change, X will prompt you to re-enter your password before you can continue. Go ahead and type in your X or Twitter account password carefully, then continue to the next screen. Once you're back in your account information settings, find the gender field and click on it. You should now see the available options that X allows for gender selection. Choose your preferred option from the list. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct one before moving on. After that, simply click Save to apply the change to your account. Once saved, your gender setting on X will be updated successfully. And that's it. You've now changed your gender on X.com or Twitter. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.